In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to emails in Gmail using ChatGPT. If you want to save time and make email writing easier, this is a simple workflow you can use right inside Gmail. The goal here is not to let AI send messages for you without checking them, but to use it as a writing assistant so you can respond faster while still keeping your message clear, accurate, and natural. Start by opening Gmail and installing or enabling a ChatGPT email writing extension if you have not already done that. Depending on the tool you use, this may appear as a browser extension or as an add-on that works inside Gmail. Once it is active, make sure it is connected properly so the writing features are available when you open an email. Next, open the email you want to reply to. Take a moment to read the message carefully before generating anything. This helps you understand the context, the sender's request, and the kind of response that makes sense. Even if the AI can help with wording, you still want to guide it with the right intent. After that, click the AI Writing or ChatGPT button inside Gmail. This is usually located near the compose area or reply box. When the writing tool opens, tell it what kind of email you want to write. Be specific and clear. For example, you might want to reply with a thank you message, answer a question, confirm a meeting, or politely decline a request. The better your instruction, the better the draft is likely to be. You can then choose the tone you want the email to have. This is an important part of getting a useful result. If you need something formal for work, choose a professional tone. If the message is more casual, a friendly tone may fit better. You can also choose whether you want the draft to be short and direct or more detailed and explanatory. Once the AI generates a draft, review it carefully. Read through the entire reply and make sure it actually matches what you want to say. AI can produce good structure and wording, but it may still include phrases that feel too generic, too stiff, or slightly off topic. Then edit the email so it sounds natural and accurate. This step matters a lot. Adjust the wording to match your voice, correct any details, and remove anything that does not fit the situation. A quick human edit makes the message more trustworthy and personal. When you are satisfied with the final version, go ahead and send the email. That's it. With this process, you can use ChatGPT in Gmail to write replies more efficiently while still keeping full control over what gets sent.